A good night's sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. However, many of us struggle to get the rest we need due to various factors, including an unsustainable sleep environment. In this lecture, we'll discuss how to create a sleep-conducive environment that promotes quality sleep. One of the key factors in creating a sleep-friendly environment is setting the right temperature. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, that's around 18 degrees Celsius. A room that is too hot or too cold can interfere with our ability to fall and stay asleep. Therefore, it is important to adjust the thermostat to a comfortable temperature before going to bed. Another important aspect of sleep-conducive environment is lighting. Bright lights can suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. It is recommended to minimize the exposure to bright lights, especially blue lights emitted by electronic devices, in the hours leading up to the bedtime. Using dimmer lights or lamps with warm light bulbs can help create a relaxing atmosphere in the bedroom. Highly recommended. Noise and distractions can also disrupt our sleep. To minimize these factors, it is important to create a quiet environment. White noise machines or earplugs can be helpful in blocking out unwanted sound. It's uncomfortable, can be uncomfortable, sometimes needed. Personally, I use eye cover. Some people don't like it. I find it very comforting. Worked for me. Additionally, keeping the bedroom free from distractions such as television, electronic devices can help create a calm and peaceful environment. And finally, creating a relaxing atmosphere in the bedroom that can also promote better sleep, such as decorating the bedroom with calming colors and texture can help create a sense of tranquility. Soft and comfortable bedding, such as high-quality sheets and pillows, can also contribute to the more restful sleep, if you can afford. In summary, creating a sleep-conducive environment is essential for quality sleep. Adjusting the temperature, minimizing bright lights, reducing noise and distractions, and creating a relaxing atmosphere can all help promote a better sleep. By implementing these tips, you can create an environment that supports restful and restorative sleep.